Lineup brought to you from Fios by Verizon. Fios is not cable. We're wired differently. Go to getfios.com today.
My grandfather worked in a corporate boardroom, but he never sat at a table like this. He polished it. He was a janitor. I inherited his work ethic from my parents, who ran a small grocery store. They never went to college, but insisted I do. I got a degree, started 3 small businesses, and advised the President of the United States. Where we start out in life shouldn't determine where we end up. I'm running for governor, so all Virginians can realize the American dream.
Join AARP Foundation, NBC4, and hundreds of volunteers for the Meal Pack Challenge. Sunday, September 10th and Monday, September 11th on the National Mall. And help pack 1.5 million meals for our region's seniors struggling with hunger. We need your support to reach our goal, so please come and join us. You'll feel good knowing you helped others. Are you up for the challenge? Sign up today at mealpackchallenge.org. The Meal Pack Challenge is made possible by the AARP credit card from Chase.
And we've got breaking news here at the live desk. We have just learned that North Korea has fired another ballistic missile. This happened just moments ago. Japan's prime minister told reporters that the missile flew over his country. American intelligence officials now investigating the launch. Tonight's launch comes just days after the North Koreans fired 3 smaller scale missiles also towards the waters near Japan. At the live desk, I'm Leon Harris. We'll keep you posted from here. Jim, Erica, back to you.
Leon, thank you.
We are learning a bit more about an image that's been a sign of resilience in the aftermath of Harvey. This dog with a bag of food went viral. Some online even calling him a hero, but this pup hasn't exactly been a good boy. His name is Otis, and his owner says he's a bit of a looter. Turns out he bolted during the storm and ran to a nearby lumber yard where the workers keep a bag of food for when Otis comes to visit.
But he knew where they kept that bag behind the ice machine. So he went back there and he spotted it, and he said, well, you know, everybody else is taking provisions, so I'm going to take my provisions. He picked it up and brought it over here.
Good chance the lumberyard crew won't mind. Either way, Otis has shown that he can be quite resourceful.
Survival of the fittest.
Absolutely.
Go Otis.
He said, I'm going to get mine.
Yeah, right. Everybody needs an Otis. All right, Doug, they are far from out of the woods down there.
Right. Because we're talking not only Houston, but then our focus eventually will have to shift to Louisiana. They're going to deal with a different set of problems, an emergency disaster already declared there. But now we're also talking about what this means for us, just short term and also long term.
Well, the next couple of days, I mean, we've got a potential system, whether it becomes a tropical system or not, it's going to have a big impact on us tomorrow. Right. And if we have beach erosion down there along our beaches, that could have an impact on what we have for Labor Day weekend, plus Harvey could have an impact on our Labor Day weekend. So, yeah, a lot of weather going on. It's not all in Houston, but, of course, that's where we're going to start because that's where we have our Amelia Draper. We're going to go to her in just a second. But right now, I want to show you where this system is. It is right now moving right back onto the Gulf, and you can see it right here. Look at the heavy rain around the Houston area. Now, this is not the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches per hour they were looking at. It's now down to about 1 inch an hour, but still going to continue with the flooding. Look right here. That right there is the center of circulation moving back over open waters, and that just means that the hose, the fire hose, continues around the Houston area. Amelia has been there since Friday. And Amelia, you know, we were talking about this last week, that this is going to be something that is completely unprecedented in that region, and it is all panning out, unfortunately, very unfortunate, that it's panning out the way that we are expecting it.
I mean, Doug, it's just crazy. This storm is going to be in Meteorology 101 classes for decades to come. It's just not able to move. Right now, it's moving at about 3 miles an hour. Yesterday, it was just sitting still, dumping water, dumping 30 inches of water at this point where we are. To put that into terms of snow, because I think we can kind of maybe grasp that a little bit better, especially with the blizzard, thinking back to that. Think about getting 35 feet of snow at your house over about 5 days' time, and what that would do and how that would cripple you. We'll make that liquid water, and it is, the word has been used, catastrophic, and there really aren't words to describe it just driving around today. And I have to say, we are so lucky where we are, because what you're seeing behind you, I'm going to step out of the way so you can see, really isn't indicative of the area. Beth, my photographer, and I went out today. The water had stopped for a little bit, so we thought that the